Hi friends, in today's video I will show you how to install, update and uninstall programs in Windows quickly, easy and without junk. Yes, there is a powerful tool or a program manager that replaces the standard Windows uninstaller and can do much more than a standard Windows installer. So this program manager is a must tool for Windows in 2025. Most of you might have installed many of the applications in your Windows, but in most cases you might forget about updating those applications. In that scenario, this tool is very helpful, which will prompt you to update those applications and will help you to install new applications that substitutes the current one. So here in my desktop, you can see that I am using a lot of applications which I am not aware of the update. So this application is a one-step solution for your all installation, updating new versions and getting new applications. So the name of the application is UniGetUI 3. So for that you have to go to your browser and search for UniGet. The first one, UniGetUI. So you will get two links here. The first one is of this application. Just open it. And the second one is the GitHub page from where you will be able to download this application. This is a open source project. That is why it has been added into the GitHub page and you can get the latest versions from here. So if you go to the site, you will be able to know more about this particular application. Along with that, you can see that you can download it from the same site. This is a safe application and it has been added to Microsoft Store. You can download it from there too. But I recommend you to go to the GitHub release page where you will be able to get the latest version. So let's go to the GitHub page. And from here, just move down. And here on the right side, you will be able to see the latest release. That is 3 days ago. There is a version that is 3.3.0. Just click on that. Also, if you click on this link, you will be able to see all the releases. And here in this page, it will detail about what all are the changes that has been adapted in the new version. Now, if you move down, you will be able to download the latest version. Just click on UniGetUI installer exe and download it. Also, you can see that this is the previous version, that is beta 3.2.1. Right now we are downloading 3.3.0. This is common that you will get a warning message when you are using Edge because it is not commonly downloaded. So just ignore it and download it. And from here, just go and install this application. You can select the install mode, install for all users. Now it will start the installation. You can select your language and click on OK. Then click on next. And click install. Just wait for the installation to complete. Now click on finish. Remember that this is totally free application. Now this is the UI of the application. Now it is checking all the installed application in my computer. This is install packages. So just checking for the updates. Yeah, now it has completed the search for software updates and you can see that all my applications that are installed in my laptop is listed here. And you can see here this tab. On the fourth tab, you will be able to see all the new versions that are available. So you can allow the update at once or you can individually select the applications whichever you want one by one and can get it installed. If you right click on the package name, you will get a lot of options here. You can also see the installation options. Just click on that. From here, you can click on update. Now it started updating. Now you have successfully updated. Now the same way you can update all your applications from here. Now from here, just go to search, and here I am searching for Brave browser. Just click on search. And now you will get all the versions of Brave from here. You can install which version you want. I'm selecting this one and I'm going to install it. Yes, you got the message that Brave was installed successfully. Now I am going to the desktop. I'm just enabling the desktop. You can see here the Brave is installed now. So this is cool, right? So this is a one-stop solution that can make your work easier. Now if you want to add package bundles, just click on package bundles and you can open the package bundle and can install it from the location. Now you can see that the newly installed Brave is listed here. Now again, if you want to uninstall a package, just select the package, then click on uninstall and more, then select uninstall selected packages. If you want to delete it from all the user, you can uninstall as an administrator. So just click on uninstall selected package and click on yes. Now the Brave will be uninstalled from my computer. Down here we have settings for this tool, which you can make based on your preference. You can prefer how you want the package operation to be done, the package update to be done, and the backup and few other features are available here. You can have a look at it. So hope this tool is very helpful for you. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.